support a river, push I can kill. I'm not gonna live, yeah, there's no way I will. Telling you I'm not going. You're the best man I'll ever know. There's no way I could ever go. No, no, there's no way. No, 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 no way. I'm living without you. I'm not living without you. You see, I don't wanna be free. I'm staying, and you're gonna love me. You're gonna love me. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Love me. Love me. Love me. Oh, you're gonna love me.
Hindi, ayoko na. Napahiya na ako sa'yo. Ay. Saan na yan? Ayun. No matter how hard I try, you keep pushing me aside and I can't break through. There's no talking to you. It's so sad that you're leaving. It takes time to believe it, but after all is said and done, you're gonna be the lonely one. Oh, do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think it's strong enough. No, do you believe
Jollibee Iced Mocha. Get that vibe with our blend of rich coffee and creamy chocolate that just hits different.
It's a vibe.
Period. Jollibee Iced Mocha. Try it. Tama na.
Ang sakit? May Bilis Relief Dolphin Hal. Unilab yan.
Try natin.
Okay lang.
Doggy na.
Shines upon the earth and the sun begins to fade. Sailing on trying to figure out how to take others out there. It's the time that shows me how that I fall loneliness.
Let's get loud!
Dessert pang reunion?
Hindi tayo!
Bakit ba? Easy and with Boys and Graham Squad.
Ikaw na. Ma'am.
Hot stop. Hindi ko kabisado to hot stop. Brian, don't go home until you don't sing. I said sing, not dance. Sing, not dance. You're not gonna play the drums.
Sitting here waiting my heart out, waiting for some love to go. Down about 1,000 numbers lately, almost ran in front of the wall. Looking for some hot stuff, baby, this evening. I need some hot stuff, baby, tonight. I want some hot stuff, baby, this evening. Gotta have some hot stuff, gotta have some love tonight. I need some hot stuff. I want some hot stuff. I need some hot stuff. Looking for a lover when there's another. Don't nothing out of my own. Wanna share my life with a lover. Wanna bring a wild man home. Gotta have some hot love, baby, this evening. I want some hot stuff, baby, tonight. I want some hot stuff, baby, this evening. Gotta have some love, gotta have some love tonight. I need some hot stuff, hot love. Looking for hot love. Looking for the hot stuff, baby, this evening. Baby, tonight. I need the hot stuff, baby, this evening. Not in that hot tonight.
Easy. Bilhin. Easy. Dating sa budget? Easy. With Maya Easy Credit.
Ito maganda to. Sasayaw si Linda Mina dito. Ano ba yun? Mamma Mia.
There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and I can hear up the rain.
One more look and I forget everything. Whoa, whoa, Mamma Mia, here I go again. My, how can I resist you, Mamma Mia? Does it show again, just how much I miss you? Yes, I've been broken hearted, blue since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go, Mamma Mia? Now I really know, I could never let you go. AJ, sige.
Ano nangyari sa kuko niya?
Bakit?
Oh, ngenat-ngat. Para ka sa side.
Yan. Itsura. Oh, puti si Arnold.
Wow.
Sabayan, ikaw lang. Akala ko ikaw ay akin, totoo sa aking paningin, ngunit nang ikaw ay akala malapit sa'yo. Ninais kong malaman mo ang mga paghihirap ko, baliwala lang sa'yo.
Ikaw ay aking minahal, kasama ko ang may kapal, ngunit at ako pala'y naging isang hangal, nagkahangad na isang katulad mo. Hindi ko na kailangan umalis ka na sa aking harapan. Damdamin ko sa'yo ngayon ay naglaho na, at ito ay iyong tandaan. Ako'y masyadong nasaktan, pag-ibig at pagsulong na kahit nasa luhan mababayaran mo. Ayaw ko nang mangarap, ayaw ko nang tumingin, ayaw ko nang mananalig, nasasaktan at damdamin, gulong ng buhay. Patuloy-tuloy sa pag-ikot, noon ako'y nasa ilalim, sana bukas na sa ibabaw naman. Ayoko sana na ikaw ay mawawala, mawawasak lamang ang aking mundo. Ngunit anong magagawa kung talagang ayaw mo na? Sino ba naman ako para pigilan ka? Lumayo naman ay maiiwan ang bakas ng ating pagmamahalan. Ang mabiting ito ay maalala na hindi kita malilimutan,
Pagkat ikaw ang tanging laman ng aking mundo, ng aking puso, ng aking buhay.